Alright guys, check it out. Here we are outside, and man, does that roof spoiler look sick. What is up, you guys? And I apologize for the noise. First and foremost, my neighbors are doing some stuff, but today got a little something special for the Altima. We got a roof spoiler. Now I know it's not much. All honesty, it's just 3M tape, but every little bit makes a big difference. And I actually got a roof spoiler before, but it was complete trash. It was not at all as advertised.
Flashback.
We got the roof spoiler. As you could see, it does not line up. Doesn't even fit all the way how it's supposed to. And it's supposed to come with 3M tape so I could stick it on there, and it's absolutely nothing. Plus, supposedly it was painted gloss black. This is unpainted. That's gloss black. This is unpainted.
3 weeks later.
So I went ahead and returned it, and I got this little one right here. It comes with instructions, as you can see. I'm gonna set this aside for now. So this is my little roof spoiler. Look, gloss black. I don't know if you can see it. Gloss black to match gloss black roof wrap, gloss black spoiler. Every little bit makes a big difference. Trust me, guys. I was looking at pictures earlier of the Altima before I had the spoiler on, and man, did it look bland. It looked so plain I didn't even recognize it. So what I'm gonna do first, before peeling off the 3M tape, I'm gonna go ahead and size it up. Go ahead and measure it and see how I like it, where I want it, you know? Oh, perfect. Perfect. Okay, so it's a really good length. It actually does fit, and the cool thing about this is that it's flexible. So towards the end, I don't know if you saw it, kind of like leaned down a bit, but I can go ahead and bend it upward just like that. Alright, so what you're gonna want to do first is go ahead and clean off the area and where you're gonna be applying it. I have this little auto glass cleaner, got it from the 99-cent store for only $1. You know, they have this exact bottle at AutoZone for like $4, maybe $5, you know. Just go down to the $99 store, whatever, and just get yourself a little bottle and you'll be good to go. So just spray it like so. Grab yourself a clean microfiber so you can go ahead and clean off that area. Just wipe it down. Alright. Now I'm going to let it dry for a little bit, and then give it a few seconds, maybe a few minutes, and we'll get started on the install. Alright, so I went ahead and read through the instructions, and it basically said everything that I had mentioned earlier. Said clean it off with some spray, let it sit for a little bit, and then size it up before putting on the actual spoiler. And yeah, it says to use masking tape to install the spoiler, but I had a roof spoiler on my Jetta before, and I just put it on, you know, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. You want to take it one step at a time. Don't peel off the whole tape right away, because you're most likely gonna mess up if you do that, you know, unless you're like 100% confident that you won't mess up, then go ahead and do that. But I highly suggest just peeling off a little corner at a time and just step by step, little by little. As you go, as you make sure it's nice and firm, it's exactly where you want it, go ahead and peel off more and more tape. So let's go ahead and get into it. Also, I apologize for the lighting. I know it's not the best in here. I'm already almost halfway there. Kind of just pressing down on it, making sure it's firm, making sure it's on there correctly before I go ahead and continue. And once I finish this up, I'll go ahead and do a close-up so you guys can see. Look, check it out. Got the roof spoiler installed, gloss black. I'll take it out to the sun so you guys can see it. As you can see, kind of just installed just like that. Just press down on it. And yeah, I'm gonna take it outside so you guys can see it better. Alright guys, check it out. Here we are outside. And man, does that roof spoiler look sick. I thought it was gonna be a bit too small and I wasn't gonna like it, but from the right angle it actually doesn't look too bad. Actually, from any angle I like it. It looks sick. See, and it was a quick little install. Just wipe it off, clean the area, some 3M tape, and there you go. See, but that little thing is gonna make a huge difference. I've been wanting a roof spoiler for a while, so I'm glad that I finally got it. I'll get some pictures in, show you guys how it looks with and without the roof spoiler, and let me know what you guys think.